Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name's Natalie and I do videos on handbag reviews, unboxings, a bit of luxury eye candy. So if you're into any of those, please consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing this item right here with you guys. I purchased this from the Flinders Lane boutique and it's been such a long time since I've stepped foot into a boutique. It was so nice just seeing all the new handbags and just browsing all the items and just being in a boutique again. But yeah, I was so happy I managed to find this item because this is a classic piece, and if you know Chanel, you know that the classic pieces sell out instantly. So this is an item I've been wanting for a few months, and I did see it on a couple of resellers' Instagram profiles, and they had marked it up around $200 to $300 more than retail price. So I thought that this item would be really difficult to find and it would be always out of stock. So I thought maybe I should just buy it from the reseller and just pay that premium just to get it. But I'm so glad I didn't and I held off, because when I went into the boutique, they actually had two in stock and I was able to choose from the two. So I'm glad that I waited and didn't buy from the reseller. And I think that's the case with all other items or luxury items. I think if you can buy it in store or ask an SA or be on a wait list, I think that's the best way to go, and don't pay premium. Only go to resellers if it's a bag that a brand no longer makes, or if it's a special limited edition piece. I don't think that you should be paying extra for an item that you can get in store, but each to their own. I'm glad I waited and I think I will do that from future purchases. So anyway, let's get to the unboxing. So the item came in this cute little Chanel shopping tote. So I've got the camellia stuck on one side and it's just plain on the other. So Chanel packaging is just beautiful. It's very simple but beautiful. So inside the shopping tote we've got the receipt. So the receipt just comes in this nice folder with the camellia and Chanel embossed there. And then the last thing in here is the box. So we've got the classic Chanel ribbon all around with the camellia on the box too. So I don't want to undo the ribbon. I like to display my boxes, and I can never for the life of me retie the ribbon. So I'm just going to slide it off and we'll take off the ribbon that way. So bear with me. So now that the ribbon's off, we've got this nice black matte box and we've got the word Chanel there. All you do is just lift up the lid, and inside we've got the little care booklet, and then in here we have the dust bag. So it's just this nice black felt, soft feeling dust bag. So we'll just take that out. We've also got the Chanel just at the top there. So we just flip open the dust bag, and inside we have the Chanel card holder in the black caviar leather with gold hardware. So look at how shiny it is. Even the caviar leather is really shiny. So we've even got the protective sticker on it. So I'll just peel that off with you guys because I know that's a really satisfying feeling. So let's just peel that off together. If I can get it. Like so. So we've got that there. Wow, it's even more shiny without the protective layer. So let's just take a moment to appreciate it. This is actually the newer version of the card holder. So this one has the back slip pocket here, whereas the card holder from a few years back, it was just the snap button closure. So this one's got the back slip pocket. So that's a really nice addition to this card holder. It makes it more versatile and you can put more cards in this way. So at the front here, we've just got the classic Chanel flap look. So it matches my medium large classic flap. So I'll get that and show you guys. Oh, look at how cute it is. I must admit, I did buy this just so I could match with this guy. So it's got the caviar with gold hardware, same with my medium large Chanel classic flap. So those two side by side. So getting back to the card holder, we've got that classic Chanel silhouette, and then we've got a snap button closure here. So it's just a button you flip up like that. That's a really nice snap button closure. And inside we have the Chanel in the gold foil. And also the snap button here says Chanel Paris on it. And at the front we've got a card slip pocket, and this is just like a placement card. And then inside we've got the authenticity card, so always hold on to these, and a main compartment. So this is in the red burgundy textile lining. So same with the classic flap, we've got the red burgundy color, but with the classic flap bags it's a burgundy lambskin lining, whereas this is just like a textile lining. And the back pocket here is actually black, so it's not burgundy, so that's a black textile lining. So the reason why I went with the Caviar leather over the lambskin is because one, it matches my medium large classic flap, and two, you'd want something more durable in a small leather good. Just because you are throwing it in your bag, it's rubbing against other things in your bag, and also you're handling it quite frequently. And so over time, if you are grabbing it, the puffiness might kind of start to deflate quicker on the lambskin. It's more delicate, so it's more prone to scratching, whereas with the Caviar leather, like I could just get my nails and just scratch it and it's completely fine. Like nothing is gonna scratch, unless of course if you get like a knife or something sharp and scrape it, it's gonna scratch, but just from everyday use it's not gonna show as much wear as quickly. And obviously just with the gold tone, I wanted to go with gold over silver just to match my medium large classic flap. So yeah, I think I'll use this mainly for cards and cash, and I could probably fit some coins in there too, so I'll probably put my main used cards in the front pocket and my other cards and loyalty cards just in the middle. So I reckon you could probably get away with 10 to 15 cards in here. So it's very compact, but it does have the gusseted sides, so it does open quite wide. But yeah, this is the new addition to my collection. Not that I need any more SLGs, but I'm just a sucker for anything like this. This is so cute, and especially because it matches my medium large classic flap, I just had to have this. I don't need it, but I just had to have it. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I have a lot more content like this coming up, so stay tuned for that. But until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!